Hey guys, I am back with Hollar haul number 13, and it's a small box today. Make sure you like and subscribe. I've got a few boxes a week coming in right now. Again, I'm going to put my referral link down on the bottom, and I'm looking for 3 more friends for friend mail, so if you're interested, leave me a comment down below and we can swap information. I will be sending friend mail out at least twice monthly. Let me get right into this, and I do have stuff in here for my kids that are sitting behind me, so they're going to know what it is, but they're not getting it. So, first, this is for me. It is a Janimals and the giraffe, and what it is, they're pajamas that you wear, and this fits heights from 3 foot 6 inches to 5 foot 1 inch. So whenever I looked at it, it said that it was a large, and they sent me a medium. So I can't wear this. My daughter can, but again, she's not getting it. So this is $5.25. And I haven't looked, I don't know if they have any more left, but all they had at the time was the giraffe. Sit. Next is this hardcover journal that says Never Stop Shining, and it's by Papercraft. This is for me, and it was $2. And it doesn't say how many pages it has. I would say probably like 60. And next is this As Seen on TV Pillow Pets Pouchies. This is the Flower Power Cat, and it was $1.50. And you squeeze it, and it pops open. And you put, it has a clip on it, so you can put it on a backpack or a purse or something. And then you put like money and chapstick and stuff in it. And this was $1.50. Next is this Jill McDonald Count With Me block puzzle. This was $3. I saw someone else haul this, and so I looked it up because I had to have it. And it has 6 sides, so there's 6 different puzzles, and so it's the numbers 1 through 6. I think that's just so cool. But $3 was a really good deal for this. Mind your own. Next is BTW Be Brights mini scrapbooking book, and this was $3. It includes 38 cutouts, 2 sticker sheets, and 19 pages. This is what's in it. But this is super cute. I'm definitely going to be using this. And then these are the cutouts right here. This is the washi tape. The stickers. So, and it has little pockets for pictures and stuff. That is really cool. Definitely worth $3. Put this back on so I can put it back in its package. I just need to get some pictures together. I have a huge photo box. I used to scrapbook a lot. And when my daughter was about a year old, I stopped. Come here. Is your finger stuck? Which one? That one? Is it okay now? Come here. Come here. Come here. Take that off. It's inside out. Take it off and put it back on. Go. Go. Will you help him, please, Early? It's inside out. Go over there by Sissy. Next, I got this gin and vermouth candle, and it's $2. And it kind of smells like alcohol and lime. Go over there. You need to take that off and turn it around. It's inside out. Sissy, please help him. Go, please. Before he does, go.
Hudson, come over.
No, I said go.
Come over here, Hudson. No.
Next, I got, let's see, I believe this was $1. Yeah, this is a water blaster, and it's the Disney Princess. I got one of each of the different designs. It shoots up to 20 feet, and you just put it in the water, and you pull up, and it fills with water, kind of like a syringe, and then you blast it out. And this was $1. Got that for when we go out on the boat, and we beach it. Help him.
I cook it out inside out.
And is it back on?
Yeah. No, he needs to put it back on. He knows how.
Next is this color retractable ball pen 10-pack. This was $3. And it is bold point, and it is assorted colors. These are the different colors. Again, that was $3. I love to color. This will be used for my adult coloring books. Next, this was one of my favorite buys, and I didn't know that I got 2 of them. I'm going to get rid of one. Give it to my nephew. It's these Batman vs. Superman foil stickers. These were $1. And there's over 270 stickers. These are pretty cool. These are I can use for charts. These are smaller. It says they're foil, and they're not. The only thing that's foil is the cover. They're just plain stickers, nothing foil about them. So maybe I'll keep both for charts.
Oh, I need to use it.
Next, I got this DCWV mini cards and envelopes 12-piece set, and it says Happy Anniversary. It has 12 cards and 12 envelopes, and they are $1. And as I've shown before in my videos, the Happy Anniversary is the envelope, and then the card is black. And you take it out, and it's a cutout. So it's black on one, throwing around, black on one side and white on the other. So these are going to be added to, I'm doing a video. These are going to be added to my cards. And I now have hundreds of little cards to send with friend mail and to send just to family and friends. I am prepared. And it doesn't want to go back in, of course. Packaging was kind of beat up to begin with, so I tore it. Okay. my battery's running low. Plug it in. Okay. Okay. It is plugged in and working now. Oh. Next, I got this Next, I got this square basket, gold square metal basket, and this was $3. And it has like a trivet on the bottom, like a tile. There we go. It's a tile on the bottom. Didn't realize that. Thought it was just a whole basket. But again, this was $3. This was $3 as well. I do remember. No, $3.50. United Cakes of America Cookbook. And it gives you recipes from all over. Sorry, I'm trying to find. Like this is from Maine, the whoopie pie, which I'm guessing is like, it's either where it's the most popular or where it was invented. I'm not sure. Just real quick, I'm going to see what they have for Nebraska. I want to see what we're famous for. It says kolache. The tiny town of Prague holds the record for the largest kolache ever baked. Wilbur, Nebraska was declared the Czech capital of the United States. I didn't know that. But it doesn't show a picture of what it looks like. Nebraska is home to the highest percentage of Czech Americans in the United States. That's very interesting. I'm learning stuff that doesn't even have to do with food in this book. But this was $3.50, and it has a tag on it for $17.78. And then originally it was $29.95. So that is really cool. Next, I have a ring holder. It's a giraffe ring holder. And it's Francesca's. It was originally $12. But this was $2.50. I have a lot of ring holders. I also have a lot of rings. And last, I got my first bundle deal. It was a really good deal. It is the Disney Pom Pom Pens and Lipstick Eraser Set, case of 24. So you get, there's 3 pens and 3 lipstick erasers. So, you get multiples of some of the items. So I'm going to keep one of each, and then the rest I'm going to give as presents. The first is this Disney Princess lipstick eraser. And then we've got a mini lipstick eraser. And these I think we're selling for $1. And I got all of these for $12. So they were 50 cents each. And then, and then there is a Frozen lipstick eraser. And then the pens aren't included. So I'm going to have to get a hold of them.
This is my mom's foot.
Go away. Go. I said away. Out of the room. Away. Or turn it off. It was supposed to have 12 lipstick erasers and 12 pom-pom pens, and all that's in here is 24 lipstick erasers. So I'm going to be contacting them. Because it doesn't say Disney pom-pom pen or lipstick eraser set. It says Disney pom-pom pen and lipstick eraser set. And I have a nail polish that is missing as well. This is weird. I mean, I've had some things come broken, or a couple things that were missing, but they never all at the same time. So that is it for this video. I will let you guys know what was going on with that haul, and I will see you next time. Again, like, share, subscribe, and contact me if you want to do friend mail. Thanks, guys.